How to use a Grubhub gift card or how to redeem a gift card on Grubhub. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide on how you can use or redeem your Grubhub gift card easily on the Grubhub app. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through simply here quickly. Now you want to open up the Grubhub app and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now in my case I'm already logged in, so this will simply load up. Now this might take a while to load up and connect to Grubhub. Now let this load up and you can see it's loaded up. Now once it's loaded up, at the bottom of your screen you can see various options there. You can see home, rewards, orders and account option. The first thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you tap on account option there, now I haven't filled in my details, so here you can see the gift cards option there, right at the account option there. You can see below the payment option there, gift cards. Simply tap on gift cards and it will give you two different options. If you want to buy a gift card, you can simply tap on buy a gift card option. However, if you want to redeem and use a gift card, you want to simply tap on redeem a gift card. You can enter in your 17-character gift card code here, and once you do so, you want to select the add to my account option, and if the gift card is valid, your gift card will be redeemed to your account and you can later on use it to make the payment. So this way you can use a Grubhub gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.